Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Do you keep getting those notifications to activate Windows? And do you also find that you can't use all of the personalization features, like changing settings on your computer? In this video, I will give you a complete guide to the activation process so you can enjoy the full Windows experience. Let's go. Windows activation is important because it confirms that your copy of Windows is genuine and complies with Microsoft licensing policies. It helps prevent piracy, unlocks all the features of Windows, and ensures you get important security updates regularly. To activate Windows, you'll need either a digital license or a product key. So, how do you know which one you need? That depends on how you got your copy of Windows. For example, did you upgrade to Windows for free from a compatible device running Windows 10 that was later updated to Windows 11? Did you buy Windows from the Microsoft Store app? Or did you reinstall Windows on the same computer hardware? If any or all of these apply, you're probably using a digital license. This method is actually quite simple, because a digital license is tied to your computer hardware and your Microsoft account. All you have to do is connect your PC to the internet and sign in with your Microsoft account. On the other hand, did you purchase your copy of Windows from an authorized retail store? Or is your digital license not working for some reason? If so, then you can activate Windows with a product key instead. A product key is a 25-character code that looks like the one flashed on your screen. You can usually find this key on the physical box if you bought Windows in a store or in an email if you bought it online. To get started, open Settings. Navigate to System and access the Activation Configuration page. Click the Change button and enter the 25-character code. After you do this, Windows should now be running on your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.